Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective natural fat cutter drink that helps to cut your belly fat. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a saucepan. Into this add 2 cups of water. Keep the flame in medium till the end. When the water comes to a boil, add half teaspoon of fenugreek, half teaspoon of fennel seeds and half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let this boil for 5 minutes until the water reduces to half and the essence of the ingredients are completely extracted to the water. Fenugreek reduces the risk of diabetics, improves weight loss, reduces inflammation, reduces the risk of heart and blood pressure and relieves pain. Fennel seeds is high in nutrients such as fiber, vitamin C, calcium, iron, manganese, potassium and magnesium. It contains powerful plant compounds. It suppresses appetite and thus the calorie intake is reduced to a great extent. It is very good for your heart health. It also has cancer fighting properties. Cumin seeds has a lot of health benefit. It's an excellent source of antioxidants known to boost your immune system and prevent conditions like cancer, heart disease and diabetics. It controls blood sugar levels, lowers cholesterol and fights against bacteria and parasites. It can treat diarrhea and very helpful for weight loss and improves your digestion. It's been 2 minutes and it's nicely boiling, so off the flame and add a tablespoon of lemon juice. Lemon boosts metabolism and thus helps in weight loss. Lemon also helps in reducing the calorie intake. Let this rest for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, strain and add it to a mug. Now a healthy and natural fat cutter drink is ready. Enjoy this drink right away for best results. You can consume this drink on empty stomach to get the full benefits of the ingredients. This drink improves your metabolism and cut down the belly fat. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity. So do try this natural fat cutter drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.